Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, Autopic Scratch. At my back, we have Mitsubishi Triton 2020 model 415 engine. We're going to check and diagnose the AC condenser fan motor not working. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll notified to the next video tutorial. Okay guys, so first thing to do, we will remove this cover. All the plastic screw we will remove. Okay, so that we can easily check the condenser fan motor. Okay guys, so we already removed the cover. So this is our auxiliary fan motor. We're going to start the engine and we will switch on the AC system. Okay. Press the clutch pedal. Then put to the neutral our manual transmission shifting lever. Then we'll start our engine. Okay, so we'll switch the AC and we will check the auxiliary fan if working or not. The fan blade was rotating. The fan blade is rotating due to air vacuum by our flux cooling fan. So normally the auxiliary fan motor is if working, you can hear the sound of the fan blade. But this one, no sound. You can hear from the auxiliary fan blade. So the clutch compressor was engaged, but when you switch the AC system at the same time, this auxiliary fan motor working at the same time. Okay? But now it's not working, only rotating. The blade is rotating due to air vacuum by our flux cooling fan. Okay? So we will remove our auxiliary fan assembly so that we can easily check and replace for a new one. The kilometer reading was 151,942 kilometers. So the cause of AC condenser fan motor not working due to excessive carbon already inside. Maybe the carbon brush was worn out already. That's why fan motor is not working. Okay. Okay, so we will switch off the AC system. Then we will shut off the engine. Then we will remove our auxiliary fan motor. Okay. There is a mounting bolt 10 mm. Then we'll remove this one. Then the connector here, we will disconnect so that we can pull out our auxiliary fan assembly. Okay, so we will use 10 mm combination wrench. We'll remove this mounting bolt of our auxiliary fan motor. Like corroded, that's why very hard to rotate. Okay, we will tap the motor by our screwdriver here at the back. Then we will check if it will work or not, because a lot of carbon inside in our auxiliary fan motor. Okay. And back to the mounting. We put again the auxiliary fan motor in the mounting. Then we will check. We'll start the engine. Then we'll switch the AC system. Okay, switch on. Then we'll check the auxiliary fan motor. It's working or not. How it's work. It's work after we tap the motor. This one must be replaced. The carbon was already thin. Has to replace one more. Okay? Now it's working. You can hear the sound from the auxiliary fan motor. Okay, we will disconnect the harness connector so that we can remove our auxiliary fan motor, auxiliary fan. Okay, already disconnected. Then we will dismantle. We will dismantle our auxiliary fan motor. Phillips screw bolt here. Have to remove. Then we have 8 mm nut of our auxiliary fan blade. We will remove. We will use this box wrench. 8 mm. So there is corrosion. We have to spray a little amount of WD-40. Okay. And we'll remove our. Okay. So next, turn it down. Then there's a pre-mounting nut. We'll remove 10 mm. So we'll use this box wrench 10 mm. Okay, done. We dismantled already the fan motor. Okay guys, so let's assemble our auxiliary fan motor. So this is our part number of our auxiliary fan motor. So we'll open the box. Then we'll install our motor in our auxiliary fan module. Okay, so ready to install in our vehicle. Okay guys, so we'll install our auxiliary fan motor. Okay, so we already installed our auxiliary fan motor. We connect already the harness connector to our auxiliary fan motor. Okay. Okay guys, so our auxiliary fan motor now is working while using ignition. Thank you for watching and God bless. Thank you for watching guys in our video set for today, our DIY. Thank you and install the Halo ako si Haro. Halo? Halo. Kawayan. Ha? Kawayan. Ada? Oh. Oh. Ya? Oh. Ini. Ha? Ini.